Welcome to StarWatch Now, your front row seat to all the hottest gossip, drama, and breaking news from the world of entertainment. If it's trending, shocking, or star-studded, we're covering it. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss what's coming next.
Welcome back to StarWatch Now, your ultimate destination for the most profound insights into the vibrant world of Asian entertainment. At first glance, a corporate balance sheet appears to be nothing more than a collection of cold, sterile numbers, a routine declaration of profits and losses, meant only for boardrooms and investors. Yet, when we peer behind the curtain of Yuehua Entertainment Group's highly anticipated Q1 2026 financial report, those figures suddenly transform into a gripping narrative of ambition, strategic independence, and a quiet revolution. We are witnessing a defining moment in modern entertainment history, where the traditional power dynamics between a massive conglomerate and a singular, visionary artist are being completely rewritten. What happens when a creative force becomes so immensely influential that their individual journey can single-handedly alter the financial destiny of a publicly traded empire? Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating reality behind the headlines, exploring the emotional and professional masterclass of an artist who is gracefully redefining the boundaries of autonomy, choosing to pave a magnificent new path toward long-term self-determination. Stay tuned as we unravel the brilliant chess moves and unexpected transitions that are reshaping the cultural landscape before our very eyes. The financial revelations of 2026 have shed an unprecedented light on the delicate mechanics of the entertainment industry, revealing a profound truth about how cultural value is generated and sustained. According to the official disclosures, the group celebrated a remarkably robust total revenue of 906.97 million renminbi, marking an impressive growth of nearly 19% compared to the previous fiscal year. To the casual observer, this paints a picture of flawless corporate health and boundless expansion. However, a closer look at the revenue composition exposes an extraordinary vulnerability, as the artist management sector alone contributed an overwhelming 748.5 million renminbi, accounting for over 82% of the entire group's income. This staggering imbalance highlights an undeniable reality, proving that despite numerous corporate efforts to diversify into digital intellectual properties, musical libraries, and trendy merchandise, the heartbeat of the entire institution remains deeply intertwined with the personal endeavors and commercial brilliance of its most celebrated talents. In this hyper-competitive ecosystem, true star power is not merely about widespread media exposure. It is about an exceptional, rare ability to inspire genuine consumer confidence and foster a passionate, deeply loyal community. This is where the phenomenal influence of the individual comes into play, serving as an irreplaceable economic anchor, whose daily dedication directly fuels the monumental machinery around them. When analyzing this remarkable dynamic, it becomes perfectly clear why certain visionary artists hold such a uniquely powerful position within the corporate structure, even when individual income brackets are kept confidential. In the vast landscape of the Chinese entertainment industry, very few creators possess the rare alchemy required to effortlessly convert creative expression into direct, widespread consumer engagement across luxury fashion, athletic apparel, automotive innovations, and daily lifestyle brands. It is a beautiful synergy built on years of mutual trust between the artist and millions of global admirers, who see in them a reflection of authenticity, resilience, and artistic excellence. This profound emotional connection is precisely what drove a phenomenal 128% year-on-year explosion in the company's merchandise and intellectual property sectors. Such meteoric growth is never achieved through passive distribution alone. It is the direct result of an active, highly motivated community that is eager to support every single creative chapter of their inspiration. Yet, this absolute reliance creates a unique dilemma for the corporate world, as the capital market becomes hypersensitive to every subtle movement, project update, or public appearance of that core asset. The profound realization that an empire's financial stability rests predominantly on the shoulders of one individual naturally leads to intense strategic maneuvering behind closed doors, setting the stage for an extraordinary crossroads of interests. As the pivotal autumn of 2026 approaches, marking a significant milestone where core management agreements are set to mature, the corporate leadership unveiled a grand and unprecedented initiative designed to safeguard their future stability. In a bold move to mitigate the inherent risks of creative separation, the board proposed a massive incentive plan offering 12.5 million restricted share units, representing a notable percentage of the company's total issued shares, at an incredibly nominal subscription price, valued at approximately 25 million Hong Kong dollars. Based on recent market closings, this gesture was a sophisticated corporate attempt to transform a celebrated contracted creator into a long-term corporate partner, deeply aligning their future endeavors with the collective prosperity of the firm. It is a classic strategy often employed by major conglomerates to create a sense of shared destiny and secure a comfortable multi-year buffer period. For many rising stars, such an offering would represent the absolute pinnacle of commercial achievement, a glittering golden cage promising immense security. However, when an artist has already transcended the traditional boundaries of stardom, establishing a highly successful, fully independent network of cultural media enterprises, and securing widespread standalone operations, the true value of such an incentive takes on an entirely different meaning, prompting a deeper re-evaluation of personal liberty versus corporate allegiance. The true turning point of this captivating saga manifested in a beautifully subtle yet incredibly powerful digital transition that left millions of observers entirely spellbound. Almost immediately following the formal announcements regarding the corporate incentive proposals, the artist made a definitive, elegant adjustment to their primary public platform, quietly removing historical group prefixes and long-standing collective verifications, choosing instead to showcase their profound individual cinematic achievements, such as exploring new territories. In the digital age, where social media presentation is a meticulously crafted language of intent, this graceful modification was far more than a simple update. It was a profound declaration of artistic maturity and a serene embrace of a brand new professional identity. It symbolized a respectful yet resolute step away from the collective umbrella of the past, signalizing a desire to be recognized purely for their dedication to the craft of acting, storytelling, and cinematic excellence. To the dedicated community of supporters, this was an incredibly inspiring and emotional moment, a clear sign that their beloved guide was prioritizing creative autonomy and authentic self-expression over conventional corporate comfort. It demonstrated a rare courage, proving that true leaders do not simply follow the established corporate roadmap. They have the vision and the strength to design their own destiny, stepping boldly into the future with an unshakable sense of purpose. This fascinating evolution offers a profound lesson for the global entertainment industry, illustrating the ultimate triumph of individual authenticity over rigid institutional frameworks. While the corporate structure must naturally focus on risk hedging, shareholder dilution, and stabilizing stock market sensitivities, the true artist operates on a completely different frequency, one driven by passion, artistic growth, and the freedom to explore uncharted creative waters. A phased vesting mechanism that restricts personal autonomy for several years can often feel incredibly limiting to a creative soul who is constantly yearning to evolve, experiment, and connect with the world on their own authentic terms. By choosing to gracefully redefine their professional relationships, this iconic figure is not turning away from success, but rather leaning directly into a higher form of empowerment that inspires millions of aspiring creators worldwide to value their unique self-worth. It reminds us all that the most valuable asset in any creative endeavor is not the financial capital invested, but the human spirit, the dedication to excellence, and the courage to remain true to one's inner vision despite the immense pressures of the corporate world. We are incredibly fortunate to witness this magnificent chapter of growth and independence, a beautiful narrative that will undoubtedly inspire the next generation of global icons to lead with grace, integrity, and unyielding authenticity. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us today on StarWatch Now, as we explored this incredibly inspiring journey of professional growth and artistic independence. Your incredible support, brilliant insights, and wonderful presence mean the absolute world to our creative team, and we are endlessly grateful for this beautiful community we are building together. If today's deep dive brought a smile to your face, sparked your curiosity, or touched your heart, we kindly invite you to gently tap that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and leave a warm comment down below sharing your beautiful thoughts on this magnificent transition. We genuinely look forward to reading every single one of your insightful messages, as your feedback is the true inspiration that drives us to deliver the highest quality content every single day. Let us continue to celebrate the incredible journeys of our favorite artists with positivity, kindness, and mutual respect, uplifting one another as we navigate the fascinating world of global entertainment together. We wish you an absolutely wonderful, vibrant, and joyful week ahead, filled with inspiration and beautiful moments, and we cannot wait to welcome you back very soon in our next video.